Hello, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and we are finally doing part 2 of my closet clean out. So my last closet clean out, I cleaned out my entire dresser, which was really honestly so necessary. It was overcrowded. I had too many clothes that I just didn't wear and we did a great job at that. And now it is time to tackle this. Only because, one, I need to do this before the year ends because there's some clothes I gave time limits to that I just, thinking back now, I'm not gonna wear them. Why did I even think about giving myself a time limit? But now I've had time to think about it and know that I'm going to get rid of some things. So without further ado, let's begin my closet clean out. Okay, so I just pulled out almost everything out of my closet. The stuff that is still in my closet is stuff you guys have not seen yet because I am working on my December thrifting video. It's December still, you guys, okay? And as well as that, there's also just some items I know I'm just not gonna get rid of. If you've seen them recently in any of my newer thrifting videos, like my November thrift videos, everything that's in here from that is still in there because I know I'm just not gonna get rid of it. I just got it. Let's begin with the first item on the top of my ginormous pile. And it is, in fact, this silk set that I said I was going to try to wear. And I have tried to wear it. I don't know if I love this color on me. I like the skirt, but I think, am I just being selfish because it's fully silk? And should I keep it for that reason? Possibly. Plus, it doesn't really take too much space up in my closet. So maybe this one I'll keep for now. Because like, what if I do want to upcycle the skirt? Because the skirt is beautiful and I really like this pattern. Okay, maybe am I being too crazy already? Possibly. So up next is this dress that I wore to my cousin's wedding, and I'm definitely keeping this. It's fun, and I really like the colors, and I thrifted it brand new at Tags. Okay, you guys, I think it's officially time I say goodbye to this. I've had this now for maybe 3 years, maybe 4, maybe 3. I don't know, I've had this for a while now. I've tried styling it, and honestly, I just don't think this is my style. I love it, and I just love like the colors and stuff, but I truly think it's time I let it go. And it's gonna make me sad, I think, letting it go because it's beautiful. And it's like, should I keep it? I don't know, maybe I'll put this like in a maybe pile and I'll really think on it because it's beautiful. It's just, I've never had the opportunity to wear her out. And usually when I do dress up, it's like buried in my closet and I don't see it. I'm not sure yet, but let me know. It's gonna go in a maybe, I think, because I'm scared to get rid of it. Next up is this vintage button-up long sleeve, and honestly, you guys, what was I thinking buying this? I don't know. I don't wear button-ups. I think it was just the color I was very drawn to, but I don't wear button-ups, so goodbye. So these two are items I think from my last closet clean out that I'm still going to keep just as layering options. I mean, this I've had since literally freshman year of high school, and I do really like the pattern on this top, so I don't think I will get rid of it. It would be interesting to upcycle it into something different. And then this my grandma gave me, so I don't want to get rid of it, and it's 100% cotton, so it's nice. Okay, up next is this black lacy top, and I think I should just keep it because it is like my only plain black non-t-shirt top. And it just has like this lace detail. I got this at H&M when I first started working at Ulta. So this is like maybe 11 years old now. And I do think for that reason, like I should keep it. It fits good still. It's not like it's falling apart or damaged. So for now we'll keep because you never know. I also will be having my clinicals in the spring, summer this coming year. So it's gonna get warmer and I'm gonna want stuff like this to wear. Okay, so this is another vintage sweater that I thrifted. It's made out of 100% acrylic, but it is honestly the softest acrylic I ever felt in my life. I don't really wear it as much as I would like, and I just don't know if it's because this brown is a very warm tone brown, but I should keep it because it's a good basic. I think most of my sweaters I would be keeping anyways because I haven't gotten to wear them a lot, and a lot of them I've repeat worn, and it is my size. I think I'm gonna keep it. And then same thing with this one. This is one I thrifted a few years ago now, and it's Alfred Dunner. So if you know, you know. Great older 2000s brand and early 90s brand, but I love these colors on me. I haven't really worn it this year yet, but I do think I'm gonna plan on wearing it soon. I'm just not sure when, but soon. I gotta bring all my sweaters to the front of the closet, I think is my problem. Because these ones were buried in the back. So the next 3 tops I'm definitely okay saying goodbye to. The first one is this sweater that I got at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx a few years ago when I worked at Ulta, and then we were allowed to wear purple. I love this sweater colors, but it's just, I don't wear it. It's pilling a lot, and it's like all this polyester and acrylic, and it feels fine, but when you get warm, it does not feel fine. We'll just say that. And then these two are just Old Navy tops, and honestly, I don't find myself wearing this dark green much, and with this shirt being like a cream color, I don't really wear it. And I think it's also because of the material, it's very see-through, so you have to like layer anyways. And I think it's like a little too small. I have a love-hate with these kind of shirts. They're super soft, but after a few washes, I feel like they're not the same. Goodbye. These are all pullovers that you would have to pry off of my cold, dead body for me to get rid of them. So these two hoodies, I think I'm okay with letting go of. This I got from Costco, and I have a matching tan one, which I think I'm also going to declutter. And then this one, I think I got from my niece, and it's fine, there's nothing wrong with it, but I have another black zip up that I honestly like better, and I just don't see a point in owning two when I like one more than this one. You know what I mean? It's just taking up space and I don't need it. So my camera just turned off at one point, which means that I was not recording for like, I don't even know how long, you guys. In case I don't have this all, before I show you my declutter pile, I'm gonna show you two things I'm about to add to it. This is, in case I didn't talk about it already, this is supposed to be like a Lululemon dupe I got from Costco, and I think it's time I just say goodbye to it. I just haven't gotten any wear out of it, and unfortunately, the sleeves are a little too short for me to enjoy the thumb holes in them. And then this is a sweater that I got from a store in Mohegan Sun, and it just pills and collects a lot of lint, if you can see. I don't know if you can see that with the lights, but because of that, I think I should say goodbye to it. So this is probably the first ever vintage sweater I ever thrifted, so I don't know if I will ever get rid of it. It does need a little TLC, I'm not gonna lie. Like, we need a clothing shaver on it, like stat, but I do love the color, and I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it yet. If I ever do wanna retire it, it's probably gonna go into my heirloom bucket, which is basically going to be a collection of the clothes that I refuse to get rid of because what if I want them back? So these two shirts, again, I'm keeping. This I'm definitely keeping because I have two black cats. This is the mountain tee. I'm never getting rid of this. This I'm keeping because Mark has the mountain tee with a whole bunch of predators on it, and when we want to match, this is what I wear. Okay, so these next items are all cardigans. I don't think I'm ready to get rid of any of these. This I just got this year. This is my ghost one. You guys know I wear this all the time in October, and also honestly just year round. I don't think I'll ever get rid of it because I just love it so much. And then this is one that I thrifted that was from Cotton On that we dyed on my channel in my video where I upcycled clothes I didn't like until I was obsessed with them. And clearly, a lot of the dye has faded because I was very much wearing it a lot and washing it a lot. Even though I did use the fixative, it didn't really stay good, so I don't know if I didn't do it right, but for now, these are staying. Again, two green sweaters. This I'm never getting rid of. This, I like the oversizedness of it, and I think I just need to get used to it just being how long it is, but I am gonna keep it because I like that it is, you know, comfortable. Some of these items, we're just gonna probably speed run through them, so let's just do it, okay? Keep. Goodbye. Goodbye. I just don't think it's wearable, okay? Keep. Goodbye. I want to keep it, but I've only worn it once. But because of that, maybe I should keep the other Cotton On shirt. Maybe I should keep this. I literally just got this year. I should not get rid of it yet. But the other two items I'm okay with getting rid of. But these, I guess I need to force myself to learn how to wear this, I think is what it is. I do think my idea with wearing colored tank tops underneath will work. It's just, I need to actually do it. We'll keep her till spring and we'll see if she stays. Okay, here's where we're gonna go through basically all of the dresses. This halter I'm gonna keep. This one, I think I'm gonna upcycle it something, so I'm gonna keep it for now. This one I'm gonna keep. This one I'm also gonna keep. Is that all of them on this hanger? Amazing. So yeah, all the ones on this hanger are gonna be keeps, and I'm hoping I actually wear this brown one a little bit this year because I do like it. I just don't always wear long dresses, so I need to force myself to do that, especially because I've added some to my closet recently. So as for these, this white dress, honestly, I just think because My cousin told me it looked cute on me. That's why I bought it. So I am gonna get rid of it. I don't wear it. So goodbye to this. Now this one, I'm always questionable on if I should keep or if I should get rid of, but I just know that this would be perfect to wear as like a slip underneath something. So I think for that reason, I'm going to keep it. And then this, honestly, I just think I thought too much about the green dress that I have, that I bought it without really looking at the colors, because what the heck was I thinking? No, seriously, what was I thinking? I don't wear these colors. This is my bachelorette dress I'm keeping. This is a top that I thrifted this year that I need to decide if I'm gonna upcycle it or not. I really love like the design on it with the flowers and stuff, but it's just very boxy, which is interesting because it is my size. It's just like wide, and I don't know if it's wide on purpose. Maybe it is, but I gotta figure that out. So this dress I'm obviously gonna keep, but this cotton on one on the front, I'm going to get rid of. I honestly only bought this because I needed a dress or something for vacation, and then I ended up finding other better options. Left this one behind, haven't worn it since, and I think this color kind of washes me out. Like this light of this kind of sage green, which is funny, because the other green, it's darker, so it doesn't do that. So I'm gonna say goodbye to this one. And then lastly is this LL Bean top, which again, I'm not gonna get rid of. It's this beautiful cranberry tone, and it's 100% cotton, and I love it. All right, we are at the very end of everything that's left. This shirt, I was gonna just keep it, because it's a good just like throw on shirt, but I haven't really worn it at all this year, and I don't know, I just don't wear it enough, so I don't think it's worth keeping. This long sleeve, even though I haven't worn it that much this year, I will not get rid of. It's very comfortable, and it has thumb holes that actually fit the length of my arms, so I can use the thumb holes. Okay, wow, so it's funny. I thought I got rid of this shirt, but I guess I did not. But I actually am gonna get rid of it, only because of the size. This is a size small, and a little sneak peek, but in my upcoming Thrift With Me video for the month of December, I thrifted a shirt that is exactly the same style as this, different colorway, in a size medium, and it fits way better. So this one, I'm gonna send back to the thrift store. And then finally is this long sleeve Obey shirt that my cousin gave me, and I'm never, ever, ever getting rid of this. So this is everything we are getting rid of, and it's actually a lot more than I thought, and some of the items that I'm getting rid of, I'm kind of surprised about, I won't lie to you. All right, and that is all that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe even. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And with that, I will see you all in my next video. All right, bye.